It's been absolutely game-changing for us as a business, and I couldn't recommend it highly enough. So my name's Samantha, I'm the hotel manager here at the Green Dragon Hotel in Hereford. Green Dragon Hotel is a beautiful hotel set in the centre of Hereford City. It's one of the oldest hotels in the country. It started as a coaching inn, so it's got history going back hundreds and hundreds of years. So we feel very proud to be, I guess, the current custodians of this building and making it as wonderful as it should be for the city. So my role looks after the whole team. So we've got a team of around 65 people, all in different departments, working different shifts, doing different jobs. And my job's to make sure that everybody's working as they need to and got everything that they require. So managing a hotel of this size we have can be really challenging because, first of all, you've got distance, but also people are working different shifts. So some people are starting at 5 in the morning, some people are working through the night. So it's really hard to get a message out there to everybody to receive that at the same time. So that can be quite a difficult thing for us to have to try and manage. So we made the decision to switch to Zenzap for 2 reasons. One, that it allows the team to have a better work-life balance and to switch off when they're not here. And secondly, from a HR point of view, it means that the team don't have to give out their phone numbers. They get invited by our HR team and they accept that invite as part of their induction and onboarding process. And that means that their details are safe and they only have to be part of Zenzap whilst they're here as an employee with us. So before we introduced Zenzap, we didn't have full control at all. We could have messages going from anybody could be added to any group, whereas now it's all controlled and managed by our HR team, and that feels like a much better position to be in as a business. Zenzap is just such a great tool for us to be able to keep communication quick and speedy between all the different departments. Everyone's working their own roles within their own needs, but Zenzap is something that just allows all the team that are in the building to be fully communicating constantly through their shifts. So since we implemented Zenzap, our communication is much faster. Things that need to be done are done much more quickly in a timely manner that means that our guests are being looked after as quickly as they need to be. Whereas with our older methods of communication, things could get missed entirely. So Zenzap has been a massive improvement in our speed and the way we can work.